you want to save time passing through the Panama Canal, you can pay an additional $400,000 for priority passage. Because the canal passage takes too long, many ships are queuing outside, eager to leave and can only pay to jump the queue. The entire canal is only 50 miles long, but we need to navigate for 16 hours. Between the Pacific and the Atlantic lies the Isthmus of Central America. Ships wishing to enter the Atlantic must cross this mountain. The entire Panama Canal is like a connector. When a ship enters the first lock, water is pumped into the lock until the water level matches the second lock. The ship then enters the second lock, and the process repeats to lift the ship up the mountain and into Gotan Lake. Descending follows the same principle. We are about to ascend now. All ships passing through the canal are towed by locomotives called mules. It costs $195 per mule, and we need a total of 4. The mules are connected to the ship by steel cables, 8 in total, costing $6 each. These are small expenses. The real cost is the canal fee. It costs about $5 per ton of cargo. For a 50,000-ton ship, that's $250,000. Not only ships, but people also have to pay. There was once a daring person who swam across the Panama Canal and paid a toll of 36 cents. Approximately 15,000 ships pass through the Suez Canal each year. Can you imagine how much money they make in a year? It's like a huge money-making machine.